This woodworking T-square is very accurate. It's adjustable. It is great for working on cabinetry or any type of job where you need accurate measurements. It's loaded up with features. These are marking or drilling guides. You can do some very accurate work there. Change this angle and it's clearly marked what angle you have. That's a big advantage over tools where this is at a fixed angle. The company did send me this in exchange for this video. Here's a closer look. You can adjust the angle and get this dialed in perfectly to where it needs to go. I'll stick with the default 90 degrees. You also have the common sizes here. So if I wanted to go to 60 degrees, now that tan line is parallel with this part, and I can rest assured that that's at 60 degrees. If you're making picture frames, you want 45. So easy. When doing cabinetry work, it's important to drill holes at the same distance from the edge. That's where these come in. You can slide this around. Say I need this at the 3-inch mark. I'll line that up with the 3-inch mark. I'll need these every 3 inches. 3, 6, 9, 12. Mark this way. 3, 6, 9, 12. When my line is in the center, these are perfectly spaced this direction and that direction. That example not only showed accuracy, it showed how fast I was able to work. This is a productivity booster for me. This angle can go from a very aggressive 15 degrees all the way to 165. If you need a different size drill bit, then you could always use a pencil. Use these to just mark your spot and then come back with the size drill bit that you need. You also get a little accessories bag with some other items in it, replacement parts, and a little Allen wrench. Overall, I really like this tool.